CNC Installation Parts Processing Center. Built for transformer insulation manufacturing. Designed for large and complex insulation components. Widely used in end rings, platen, and clamps. One machine handles multiple machining processes. From drilling to groove processing. Supports both circular and linear machining structures. Flexible CNC programming for any installation shape. High precision ensures stable and repeatable production. Optimized for transformer industry manufacturing needs. Clean machining environment with dust protection system. Prevents contamination and improves product quality. Fast and stable operation for continuous production. High efficiency reduces manual processing work. Perfect solution for transformer insulation factories. Reliable performance for mass production demands. Engineered for accuracy, stability, and long-term use. A smart upgrade for modern transformer manufacturing. Improve productivity, reduce cost, and ensure precision. Your complete solution for insulation parts processing. Contact us for transformer insulation machining solutions and quotation.